Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Challenge in this appeal is to the order passed by the Division Bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court dismissing writ petition filed by the appellant under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, 1950 stop. Prayer in the writ petition was to quash the award dated 23/9/2004, under which the respondent number 1 was directed to be reinstated with continuity of service with 50% back wages within stipulated time stop. The award was made by the presiding officer, Patiala stop. The matter was before the Labour Court on the basis of a complaint made by respondent number 1 stop para. The brief facts of the case are that respondent number 1 workman was appointed as bulldozer operator with the petitioner management on 1/11/1990 stop. Since his appointment was on 89 days basis, the same was extended from time to time till 5/7/1996 stop. Thereafter, his services were not extended. The workman raised an industrial dispute on the ground that his services were terminated by the management on 15/7/1996 without any notice, charge sheet, inquiry or compensation, and that the juniors to him are still in service of the management and new persons were also appointed by the management after terminating his services stop. The government referred the dispute to the Labour Court for adjudication under section 10(1) of the Industrial Disputes Act, 1947, and the Labour Court on 23/9/2004 made the award, which was challenged before the High Court stop para. The stand of the petitioner management is that respondent number 1 workman was engaged as bulldozer operator on 89 days basis, and in that stop-gap arrangement, he had worked from 1/11/1990 till 15/7/1996 but intermittently stopped. He was never employed continuously, therefore, did not work for 240 days in the preceding 12 calendar months stop. Thus, denial of further extension of his service does not amount to retrenchment, therefore, has been wrongly awarded reinstatement with back wages stop. The Labour Court has not appreciated the fact that since the petitioner department is not industry, the services of respondent number 1 were not governed by the aforestated Act para. The Labour Court held that section 2(0) of the Act has no application to the facts of the case stop. In any event, the workman had completed 240 days of work in several years stop. The appellants took and stand that respondent number 1 have not completed 240 days of work in any calendar year stop. He never worked continuously stop. The employer was not an industry stop. The Labour Court held that there was no compliance with requirement of section 25(f) of the Act stop. The question whether department is an industry has to be decided against the management for want of evidence stop. The onus was on the department of proof that the workmen worked only 180 days are not completed 240 days in the preceding 12 calendar month from the date of alleged termination stop. Since no records were produced by the department, the claim has to to be accepted. Stop. In the writ petition before the High Court, it was categorically urged by the appellant that no appointment order was produced. Stop.